go out, listen close. Walking heavy down the shore tonight, searching for a glimpse of steady light. The tide is moving, pulling at the shore. I feel the weight of what I can't ignore. I don't need you to save me, I just want you to stay. Even in the silence I break down, bowing my knee, I pray, asking for help. Will someone listen to my prayer? Maybe not now, not tomorrow, but I do believe my prayer will be answered soon. Warm Pacific wind blows through the trees, bringing healing on a gentle breeze. Lord, Lord, my guide me, clear the fog away, give me strength to make it through the day. I don't need you to save me, I just want you to stay. Even in the silence I break down, bowing my knee, I pray, asking for help. Will someone listen to my prayer? Maybe not now, not tomorrow, but I do believe my prayer will be answered soon. Going through a tough time, fighting the pain, standing in the storm, waiting on the rain. Logos of the elders echoing deep in my chest, telling me to breathe, telling me to find rest. Better days are coming, the message is clear. Gotta push the doubt, gotta conquer the fear.